Momotion, you're back at it with another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm really excited to be back. So just want to make this video about like some life updates. I moved. I moved. I'm not gonna say where because I'm not putting that on the internet. But I moved. I just finished my 5-week fellowship called the New York Legal Education Opportunity. And in that 5 weeks, it was a full simulation of law school. We took 4 classes, went to different like Capitol buildings, and got to observe oral arguments and see jury selection, and even participated in a moot court competition. If you don't know what moot court is basically like you know how in trial level, so that's like the lowest level, right? In trial, that's where you can say all the fun things, like objection and witnesses and all that fun stuff, right? Moot court, you're practicing in the appellate level, so it's just like you argue, like orally argue, in a panel in front of a panel of like judges. So, and in at least the law school I'm going to, every first year student has to participate in a moot court competition. So we got to do a practice moot court competition in the program I went to. So actually, I'm really excited to tell you about this fellowship I did. So we took 4 classes: torts, legal research and writing, contracts, and civil procedure. My favorite personally was civil procedure. One, because the professor was the best. He was hilarious. He was amazing. But two, also like, I feel like the law in civil procedures is the most logical. It's not like really open for interpretation as much as like the other subjects were. Then I would have to give it to legal research and writing, because we got to do like we got to like write a memo, like an office memo. It was like full on legal research, and like we had to like argue a specific side of an issue. That was a cool class, because like the whole class just amounted to like just one big final product, and it was amazing. Then I would give it to torts. I liked the material of the torts. I liked the professor, but there was like the only one thing I didn't like about her was she was very nitpicky in the way she graded. So she was, I don't know. Other than that, I liked the material. It made sense. And we also like took law school finals, like what finals would look like in our first year. Then I also took contracts. I hated contracts. It was so boring. The professor was, respectfully, he was very boring. Um, so yeah, did not like contracts. Did not have fun time. I feel like I didn't learn anything in that class. Like genuinely didn't learn anything. He was like, here's the restatements. Like the restatements are just like recommended law that jurisdictions can use, which is like low key dumb to me, but like whatever. So our final was just like use the restatements as the law and like apply it to the situation at hand. So that's what I did. And like the whole fellowship is just pass fail. It doesn't count for any credits or anything like that. It's all for practice. So yeah. Then we got to network with a lot of different attorneys and judges, and it was amazing. All the people there were amazing. I made 2 really good friends, and actually one of them just texted me. So that's so funny. And honestly, it was like I really, really recommend. It's called the New York Legal Education Opportunity. So if you're an incoming 1L, and at least for summer 2024, I highly recommend that you go and apply for this program. It was honestly amazing. I feel way more prepared for law school now. And also, I am able to say now that I joined two different organizations on their executive board as the 1L representative. What does a 1L representative do? I had no idea. I'm going to find out in the fall. But so I'm so glad to say that I'm able to be the 1L representative for the Muslim Law Student Association and the Middle Eastern Law Student Association. So MLSA and then MELSA. But they also call it MELSA. I mean, that's the way I would say it. So yeah, I'm really glad to be doing that, and I'm just gonna be enjoying my life for the next 6 weeks until I start law school. I only have 6 weeks. I'm just gonna be working until literally the day before law school starts. I start law school August 21st. So like the 21st to the 24th is orientation, straight orientation. And then the 28th is when we start actual classes. I think I did a reaction schedule, like a reacted to my law school schedule video. If you didn't get to see it, I'll just post my schedule, like a picture of it somewhere here. And yeah, that would be really amazing. So I'm really excited. That's why I haven't been on YouTube. I've just been focusing on this program. Read cases, did case briefs, outlines, everything that we're gonna do our first year. We did it in this 5 weeks. So I feel like it helped me more than any book I read or any prep online, like whatever online prep course I did. Helped me more than anything, and I got to make some really great connections and friends with that. So that's what has been going on in my life between moving and this fellowship, and I was like working on the weekends during the fellowship. So it was just a very busy, past few months, and yeah, it's amazing, and I really have nothing else to update on here, but probably won't update again honestly until orientation week when I'm gonna be vlogging for orientation starting the 21st. So but yeah, that's been my life so far. I hope you like this short little update video, and I hope this gives you some insight as to what you should be doing the summer before law school. And I'll link my socials down below. I'm a little bit more active on my Instagram and Facebook because it's automatically connected. So like whatever I post on Instagram, it goes onto Facebook. But yeah, so I'll link my socials down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And thank you for watching.